Welcome to the heart of London, where centuries of history intersect with the fast-paced rhythms of modern life. From the high spires of St. Paul's Cathedral to the bustling markets of Camden, London's transportation system is the city's lifeblood, transporting millions of people every day through its maze of streets, tunnels, and sky. But here's the thing, traveling around London doesn't have to be intimidating. Whether you're a tourist admiring the renowned monuments or a commuter navigating the daily grind, the London transport system is surprisingly simple to operate, once you know the rules. In this guide, we'll reveal the secrets of London's transit network, so you can navigate the city like a seasoned local, ready to conquer the tube, ride the red buses, and traverse London like a pro? Let's plunge in. Understanding the basics, London has a vast, integrated transportation network that includes the tube, subway, buses, trains, trams, riverboats, and even the iconic black cabs. But don't panic, each one is easier to handle than you would think. Here's what you should know to begin your journey. Oyster Card and contactless payment. Before you can use public transportation, you must first have a means of payment. The Oyster Card is London's smart travel card, which can be loaded with credit and used on nearly all modes of transportation in the city. It's straightforward, efficient, and the most cost-effective solution for both tourists and locals. Alternatively, you can pay with a contactless debit or credit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Simply tap in and out at the ticket barriers. Visitor Oyster Card. This is the ideal choice for tourists. You may get one online or at the airport, and it provides discounts on buses, the tube, and other modes of transportation. It is the key to all of your city adventures. Pay-as-you-go travel. You can pay as you go with an Oyster Card or contactless payment, which means you only pay for the journeys you take. Navigating the tube, London Underground. The basics of the tube. The London Underground, also referred to as the tube, serves as the city's primary mode of transportation. It is by far the most efficient mode of transportation in London, with 11 lines running from north to south and east to west. The tube map. The iconic tube map is your best buddy. It is color-coded and displays all lines, stations, and interchanges. Don't be worried about the complexity at first, only focus on the route you need to travel, and the rest will fall into place. Step-by-step journey. Planning your route. The first step is to determine where you want to go. Assume you're starting at the famous King's Cross Street Pancras station. You want to visit the British Museum, so take the Piccadilly line to Heathrow and get off at Russell Square. Tapping in. When you tap your Oyster Card or contactless payment at the gate, it unlocks. You are in. Train time. Once on the platform, look at the electronic boards for the next train. Trains operate frequently, around every few minutes. Transfers. To change lines, follow the signs to the interchange platforms. The system is well organized, and all maps and signs are well indicated. Tapping out. At your destination station. Touch your card again to exit. The fare is determined automatically based on the distance traveled. Pro tips for the tube. Avoid rush hour. If you can, avoid traveling during rush hour, 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., and 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. To beat the crowds, check for disruptions. Occasionally, there may be delays or closures. Keep an eye on the TfL, Transport for London, website or app for updates. The iconic red buses. When you think of London, the red double-decker buses come to mind immediately. These buses are an integral part of the city's identity, and they make an excellent alternative to the tube, especially if you want to explore the sights while traveling. How to ride a bus. Boarding the bus. Get on at the front or center doors, depending on the bus type. Tap your Oyster Card or contactless payment to the yellow reader as you board. Rates. Bus rates are capped, which means that if you reach a set price barrier for a day's travel, you will not be charged again. This makes getting on and off buses much cheaper. Route planning. Buses run throughout the city. If you are unsure which route to take, tools such as Google Maps or Citymapper can help you identify the ideal one. Trams. These operate across South London and provide a picturesque way to move around the city. Riverboats. Want an alternate viewpoint on London? take a riverboat along the Thames. From the sea, you can see iconic monuments such as the London Eye, Tower Bridge, and the Houses of Parliament. Taxis and ride-sharing, the famous black cabs. You can't visit London without seeing a black cab. These distinctive taxis are readily available and easy to hail. They are well known for their knowledgeable drivers, who are often referred to as the knowledge, because they must memorize thousands of streets before being licensed. How to catch a black cab? Simply hail one from the curb, or find a licensed taxi rank. Inside, you'll find a meter that calculates your fare based on time and distance. Alternatively, you can use ride-sharing apps like Uber, Bolt, or Lyft, which are available throughout the city. The London travel apps you need. In today's digital world, your smartphone is your ultimate travel companion. Here are some must-have apps for navigating London's transport system. TfL Go, the official transport for London app. It provides real-time updates, journey planning, and the latest news on closures or disruptions. Citymapper. Citymapper is a fantastic app that will give you door-to-door directions, whether you're taking the tube, bus, or walking. Google Maps. Don't forget to use Google Maps. It's great for navigating the city and will show you public transport options, traffic conditions, and walking routes. And with that, you've unlocked the keys to navigating the world's most thrilling metropolis. London's transportation system is intended to be efficient, accessible, and simple to understand. With a little know-how, you'll be zipping around the city, from crowded Oxford Street to the tranquil banks of the Thames, without mishap. So, whether you're visiting for a weekend break, a business trip, or a lifetime of adventures, don't allow the city's extensive transportation system overwhelm you. With your Oyster Card, smartphone, and a sense of adventure, London is yours to discover. Every corner, street, every ride. Enjoy the trip, and remember that in London, the adventure never ends. Enjoy your travels.